Hey guys, welcome to my channel Akshara's Epicure. I hope you guys are doing great out there. I thought I'll just start with an easy peasy recipe and that looks yummy, right? That's called onion potato fry. So let me just walk you through the ingredients and the process. Let me just start with the ingredients first. That is potato, which I've taken around 4 potatoes and I've chopped into like dices. And I've taken onions, 3 onions, and 8 to 10 of curry leaves, and 4 green chilies. And you can just chop green chilies however you want. This is not necessary, it should be very small. And that is freshly grated coconut. I've taken a half a cup of grated coconut. I've taken half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of salt. I'm so sorry guys, I've already added the oil and the mustard into the pan. Now I'm gonna add the onions, green chilies, and the curry leaves. Guys, please make sure that you do not harm yourself. The oil is really very hot. Guys, make sure that you mix it very well, like how I'm mixing it. I'm so sorry for the background noises. Guys, just add a half a teaspoon of salt as well so that the onions would cook even more faster. And mix it again. Now I'm gonna add the potatoes. Mix it really good. Mix, mix, mix. You can mix it very well again. Now add the salt again because we have just added half a teaspoon, right? The rest you can add it. And now please add the turmeric and the red chili powder as well. After adding all this, mix it well. After mixing, the color would show up something like this. Now I'm adding the freshly grated coconut. After we add the coconut, mix it well. Guys, it's absolutely fine if it is sticking to the pan. You can just keep mixing it. Now close it with the lid and cook it about for like 5 to 6 minutes. Now remove the lid. Mix it again. After mixing it, you can just transfer them into a bowl. Ta-da! Onion potato fry is ready. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and please do let me know about your feedback in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.